All right, good evening to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center. This is Chief Forecaster Daniel Wilson. We are here this evening, Tuesday, looking at the chance of severe weather across the area tonight. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado watch that's effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time this Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. Currently, we are looking at the possibilities of tornadoes, damaging thunderstorm winds, and large hail. That, according to the National Weather Service in Louisville, that issued a little while ago. Some of the other media outlets have been going live and talking about what's happening, what can be expected. I want to do a quick rundown on what we anticipate to happen. We do have a chance of showers and storms to develop later on this evening, probably 10, 11 o'clock into the pre-dawn hours, and all of the threats are on the table. Hail, damaging winds, possibly a brief spin-up tornado or two across the region, and it's something that we should make sure you have your weather radio prepared, that it is in working order, in order to wake you up in the event that a warning is issued. But again, the Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 2 o'clock for a large part of Kentucky. That is mainly across and west of Interstate 75. That would include Richmond, down through the Russell County area, along the I-64 corridor. That would include E-Town, everything pretty much from Russell County west is under a tornado watch, and that tornado watch again is in effect until 2 o'clock Central Time in the morning. The Weather Service is also indicating that with this particular system as it moves through, they're saying a few tornadoes are likely, and the hail size could be up to the size of tennis balls. And this watch area would include most of a population of over 4 million people. So it's a large area of Kentucky, the western or the eastern part of Missouri, the southern part of Illinois, southern part of Indiana, and again, the large part of Kentucky. We're watching this developing weather situation, and we will continue to monitor it throughout the evening hours. Have a little bit of trouble with our radar. May have to go to something a little bit different to bring weather coverage to you tonight. Of course, we will be utilizing the Jamestown Doppler radar powered by Climavision, and that will give us a big advantage point when the storms start to fire up in this area to let us know if there's rotation, any type of circulation in that storm that would hopefully alert us faster with this radar. Of course, we're not allowed to call out a tornado warning per se. That is kind of a scripted thing that is for the Weather Service to say. But we'll say this much. If there is something that looks ominous on radar, we're not going to make a big deal out of it. I want to try to keep the hype down. I've seen too much of it lately. And we're going to tell you if there's something that we see that doesn't look good or that is worrisome, we're going to tell you what part of the county it's in, and then let you make a decision on whether or not to seek shelter. 70 miles an hour wind can do a lot of damage, and with the environment the way it is right now, the humidity outside is 85, and the dew point's at 70. You combine that with a forcing mechanism, the winds aloft, winds up in the upper atmosphere are right where we need them to be for severe weather. The ingredients are coming together well for that tonight. The better chance of severe weather exists tomorrow. and the Storms Prediction Center has placed us in an enhanced risk of severe storms tomorrow, and that is something that we definitely need to be paying close attention to and be heads up as we go into the evening hours. Make sure you have a way to get warnings, and do not depend on the outdoor warning sirens. That is absolutely a no-no. Do not depend on them for any reason. Have your phone app, your weather radio programmed and ready to go. We want to be a credible weather source for you in this area, and we want to remind folks to be prepared in the event that warnings are issued later. We will be monitoring the weather throughout the late night, early morning hours, and we'll be here for you if threatening weather does occur. Thank you all for joining us from the Storm Alert Weather Center, your weather authority.